Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and today I'm going to show you how to add local files to Spotify. So to do this process, first thing is you can just simply open up a browser and go to google.com, and from here just simply go ahead and open up the Spotify application into your computer. And now from here, just simply go ahead and select your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now, over here, a pop-up will show up and you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now, over here, you can just simply scroll down until you see here your library. So guys, if you have the show local files turned off, make sure to turn this on. And from here, you have to add a source. So you can just simply go ahead and select the location where your music or a folder that has music in it to. And for me, I'm gonna go for my downloads. And from here, as you can see, when we go to the local files over here, we will have all of the playlists that we have on our specific folder. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.